I think it was out in the hallway, Mr. Speaker.
The gentleman from Georgia is recognized for 2 minutes.
Mr. Speaker, I thank Mr. Dreier for yielding. I left behind my medical practice of almost 30 years to run for Congress, and it's hard to put into the words the joy I felt each time I helped bring a new life, actually 5,200 new lives, into this world. Yet in my heart, I felt strongly in the need to improve health care in this country. But, Mr. Speaker, this bill is not the health care reform that I had in mind. Raiding $500 billion from Medicare is not reform. The Cornhusker Compromise is not reform. The Louisiana Purchase is not reform. Turning the IRS agents, in fact 17,000 new ones, into health care czars is not reform. An unconstitutional mandate that will penalize poor families is certainly not reform. Mr. Speaker, I would say to my moderate and conservative Democratic friends who are being told by Speaker Pelosi and by the President, just vote for this bill. Don't worry about your constituents. We'll take care of you. Well, there's a dear colleague being passed around as I speak of pictures of Democratic members, former Democratic members who were told the same thing back in 1993 on the issue of the Clinton tax increases. None of them who voted yes are in Congress today. Mr. Speaker, let me quote President Obama from his speech yesterday. If you don't think your constituents would be helped by this, then vote no. I know Americans would not be helped by this bill. I cannot support it. I will not support it. I will be voting no. And I yield back the balance of my time.
The gentleman from Georgia yields back the balance of his time. The gentleman from California.